Topic name Einstein theory of specific heat capacity. So we assume that the solid of number of atoms capital Na n suffix a per 1 kg mole of substance. The atoms to behave as a 3Na independent harmonic oscillators, each of frequency omega. That means the oscillations are independent oscillations and the number of independent oscillators 3Na for Na atoms. So according to the classical theory, so classically a mode of oscillator can have any of a continuous range of energies, that only restriction that energies is of kinetic energy and of potential energy. Meaning of quantization is that only a certain discrete values of energies are allowed. Then quantization theory, and the quantum theory assumptions are like first one, atoms are identical and independent harmonic oscillators, and next one, vibrations, the vibrations independently with the same natural frequency, and last one, have discrete energy values, that means not continuous. So according to the principles, discrete values of energies are given by from Planck's formula E is equal to NH mu. So the value for Dn, if Dn oscillator have energies lying between E plus E and E plus delta I, that means the average range is E plus delta I, the oscillation range. Then the mean of energy of atomic oscillators given by, so the value average value E bar equal to, so summation of n equal to 0 to infinity n dn by, so number of oscillators, energy into number of oscillators by, so we find the average value, so by dn, so summation of n equal to 0 to infinity. Then substitute the value n and dn value, so E value equal to NH mu from this formula, and dn equal to exponential of minus NH mu by kBt, same as it is summation of 0 to infinity exponential function of minus NH mu by kBt. Then this value, exponential value, is expanded with the value is equal to e to the power of h mu by kBt plus 2 e to the power of 2 h mu by kBt plus 3 e to the power of minus 3 h mu by kBt continues by 1 plus e to the power of minus h mu by kBt, set the down value, e to the power of 2 h mu by kBt continues. So then the value become like, so the value is the previous value. Then we let x is equal to minus h mu by kBt. So every time we wrote that h mu by kBt, so simplify that, this value is replaced with x for the simplify the solving equation. So it is like this, h mu into e to the power of x plus 2 e to the power of 2x plus 3 e to the power of 3x by 1 plus e to the power of x plus 2 e to the power of 2x plus e to the power of 3x and so on. And next, so this form is like a for example the upper part and down parts compared to this value is equal to d by dx, so x by x, so this value is equal to d by dx log 1 plus e to the power of x plus 2 e to the power of 2x plus 3 e to the power of 3x. So this term is replaced with, for example, this term, like this term, total term is replaced with this value log d by dx log this value. So this value is replaced with just like this. So the equation as average energy equal to h mu into d by dx log 1 plus e to the power of x plus 2, same up to 3 to the power of 3x plus up to infinity terms. And next one, from that value is the previous value equal to E average is equal to h mu by d by dx log 1 plus e to the power of x plus 2 e to the power of 2x 3 e to the power of 3x up to infinity. Then this value is replaced by the 1 minus e to the power of x. That means this value 1 plus e to the power of x is equal to like x 1 plus x square x cube plus up to so on. This value equal to 1 minus x to the power of minus 1. To the power of minus 1 means by value, and then e to the power of x is nothing but the value is, we assume that the value equal to x. So according to the binomial theorem, this value is replaced with this. So d by dx of log 1 by 1 minus e to the power of x. So where x is equal to e to the power of x, and then average is equal to, so we can simplify this equation. So 1 as it that down term we wrote like a minus log 1 minus e to the power of x. So denominator term always we split them, then we insert the minus before that term. And next one, average energy equal to h mu e to the power of x by 1 minus e to the power of x. Then the value equal to h mu e to the power of x 1 minus e to the power of x. So the final value equal to, we simplify that one, e to the power of minus x. So we taken into the denominator e to the power of minus x into 1 minus e to the power of x. So 1 minus x into 1 minus e to the power of x, e to the power of x will be cancelled. So the final value like this, e to the power 1 minus e to the power of x. That means this value is 1 minus e to the power of x, and minus into minus equal to 0, the value become 1. So the value equal to 1 minus e to the power of minus x. So average is equal to, so this value is e value is nothing but e to the power of h mu by kBt, then minus 1 as it is minus 1. So the total energy of a kilomole of a solid therefore becomes U equal to, U is nothing but the total energy. So the total energy equal to 3 NaE equal to 3 Na h mu by e to the power of h mu by kBt minus 1. This Na is a suffix value, and the mole of specific heat equal to Cv equal to du by dt. So from thermodynamical equations, so Cv equal to du by dt, then substitute the 3 Na h mu e to the power of h mu by kBt. So this value minus h mu by kBt square. So next the denominator term e to the power of h mu by kBt to the power of minus 1. Then the final value is equal to Cv equal to 3 Na into minus h mu by kBt whole square. So this will taken to the front side, and e to the power of h mu by kBt, the denominator term e to the power of h mu by kBt minus 1 whole square. So the final value we wrote that like e to the power of theta and t. The t is a, for example, we can change after change temperature is theta. So before temperature is t. So we can find the values. That means the value, if it can change the specific heat, that means the specific heat nothing but we raise the 1 unit temperature for 1 unit substance. So that's why this temperature is required temperature. This is the previous temperature. The temperature difference theta and t is the identify the specific heat. So that's why we wrote this equation like a value just like a theta and t terms. So these value like a theta and t terms. So in this value, the previous value is equal to the this term. So t as it is. So theta value equal to, so accepted terms are like this, e to the power of h mu by kb. T is as it is value. So the theta value become like a just like a h mu by kb. So the value is equal to theta. The theta is a temperature of Einstein theory of temperature. The above equation indicate the Einstein theory of specific heat capacity. Cv equal to 3 R into minus h mu by kbt whole square e to the power of h mu by kbt by e to the power of h mu by kbt minus 1 whole square. So thank you for the watching.